Kaya guys, wala pa ganong tao guys. Maaga lang kaming dumating. Misa sa alas 3 ng hapon guys. Aming sasambahin. Unti-unti pang nagdalitingan yung mga nagmagsisimba guys. Lourdes Church to guys. Wala pa ganong tao. Maya-maya guys, mapuno na to. Misa sa hapon. Sunday ngayon guys. Linggo. Misa sa alas 3 ng linggo. Ayan guys, titinga na yung mga tao guys. Okay. So, kukuha muna tayo ng view sa labas guys, sa simbahan. Habang hindi pa nag-umpisa ang misa guys. Para makita niyo guys kung ano. Para makita niyo guys kung anong view sa labas guys. Kuha tayo ng view doon guys.
Image for native roads at 4:30 p.m. One side arcade will be implemented along Nanlaon, Don Manuel, and Apo streets during the celebration of the canonical anniversary from August 13 to 23.
Okay. Ito yung harap guys ng simbahan guys sa labas.
The Catechetical Ministry sees those interested to serve as catechists for the 3 public schools within our
Balik ako sa loob guys.
As a catechist, we can offer the youth a way to learn the core beliefs, doctrines, and teachings of the Catholic. So the youth invites all married couples, available persons, and spiritual journey through the Christian Life program beginning September 6th at 7 p.m. on the second floor of the Salt Branch.
Paumpisa na guys.
For details, please
Ang misa.
refer to the poster and share.
ng misa guys. Tapos na misa. Guys, uwi na guys. Smile. Kasimba na guys. Kasimba na kayo guys. Uwi na rin guys. Guys, uwi na guys. Labas na guys. Guys, uwi na guys. Guys, pauwi na. Okay, so nakasimba na rin guys sa ating tulumanon, inyong tulumanon, ang pagsimba tuwing linggo guys, no? Yun nga, pauwi kami guys, pasuot-suot sa kawayanan. Parang nasa bukid. Mayroong madadaan ng kalamansi, walang malaki. Ano ko nga, kalamansi guys. Si ito nga guys, galing simbahan pero nang mangunguha ng kalamansi sa tabi ng kalsada. Kalamansi ng bayan guys. Pero maliliit pa guys, hindi na kami kumuha. So okay, so thank you guys. Thank you for watching guys. So maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat, sa inyong panonood. Thank you. Muli, magandang hapon. Happy Sunday. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. Bye-bye guys. Thank you, thank you.